Right, guys, box from Super Suckers, yeah. Unusual Pets, Leah. Um, I've had this one at me, Luna. I've had this one at me saying, Mum, hurry up and give me the box. So let's get it out. I thought this would have been easier than what it was first hand. 2 minutes. So this is how bad it gets. She's now right in my face. Little bugger. This is Mum's box. Thank you. Lovely from Leah. I think what the hell's got to call you there, honey. It's got 2 wee crystals in it, rose quartz and aventurine, I think. It's got something else to back it, but we'll get into that in a minute. Wheels are in trouble, 'cause there's things I never ordered. That's got the heat packer out, you can feel it all the way through. Ooh, look what we've got here, guys. Lives begin at 8 PM. So on a Monday we have Incredible Adverts and Other Animals. So mind to give them a follow on YouTube. On Tuesdays we have Scott's Inverts. On a Wednesday we have Unusual Pets Leah. On a Thursday there is JG's Cats and Things every 2 weeks. On a Friday there's no day. On a Saturday there is Mark the Spider Guy. And Sunday is an Exotics Family Sunday. Changes channel every week, so whoever's up here will have a shot to do on Sunday. There's everybody's YouTube stickers, so you know exactly who you're following. 9 PM onwards has an adult only warning due to conversations and topics discussed. We try to stay PG before 9 PM, but we're all human. Accidents happen. Also, Michael, moist. Absolutely bloody love it, Leah. Well done, my darling. So I've got some dried leaves. And we have some bits of white wood. Just tape them together. Right, hold on. 2 seconds, guys. I need to pause you a minute. Right, so before we go any further, there's just 2. What I thought was rose quartz, just clear quartz. I opened this at the same time, so let's quickly do this. So we have Bearded Dragon. We have little ladybugs. We have some of these lovely holographic stickers. Then we have Leah's craft channel, guys. Unusual Crafts on Facebook and YouTube. No, Instagram that is, sorry. Then we have Unusual Pets on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram and TikTok. Leah does a lot of dry goods, guys. She does the cheapest on the market. Like, so your dried leaves, your moss, your white wood jar. Oh, everything. Bee pollen, bat guano, everything, you name it. She sells isopods and spiders. So this is, thank you for your order. We hope you enjoy your new pets, dry stock or handmade items. Please go to our Facebook group and leave a review. Join as a YouTube member, reptile or mammal, and get 10% off all orders. Now, I know that this is last year's, but Weldon Hall is putting on for the 1st of the 11th, 2025 for next year. Also sponsored by Spam Spiders. So if you're new booking a table, get in contact with Phil from about January onwards. Right, let's get into these spiders. So this is my OBT Mikumi. This is my P Victory Darth Maul. I'm trying to put them at a different side. Then we have the H Gigas Cameron Red Baboon. We have another OBT Mikumi. If anybody knows me, my OBTs have to be in pairs. But that only leaves me the DCF Kenya and one of the TCFs and a BCF left to get. And a Darth Maul. So there's 2 OBTs, 2 Darth Mauls and a H Gigas. So just let me have a look to make sure everybody's fine, and I will give you a quick show. Oh, the Darth Maul straight away is right there. I can't wait till he's older, he's got his full colours. This is the H Gigas. He's just went further back, to be bugger. But yeah, his hair, it's quite a size, but it looks it. Here is one of the OBTs. So this is a Mikumi, guys. Here is the other OBT. This dog's still annoying me for the box. And that is the other Darth Maul. Sorry about the shaking, guys. Look at that. How gorgeous. Thank you very much, Leah. I am in love with all my new spiders. Love you lots, girl. Bye, everybody. I had to come back, guys. I forgot about this. So this is this year's calendar. It actually looks like this. Oh. Now, these are done every year for charity. Last year was mental health charity. This year it's going to cancer charity. But you can see it's got everybody's stickers on it. Right, let's see if we can just. So there's a sneak peek. There's another sneak peek. So if you're interested in buying these, please look up Leah at Unusual Pets and she will take your order. So it's £15 to have these delivered, or you can pick them up at shows for £12. So it's up to you guys, but they are well worth the money, I promise. Every donation is going to the cancer charity, which is a charity that's very, very close to my heart. Now, I actually bought this because I'm in it, so yeah, not for kids guys unfortunately, but it is great for adults. Now I'm definitely away. Bye!